know if you could tell what time it is by the title or what, but yes, it is Congo time, where today, someone, you, has disassembled the Rubik's Cube. I don't know why, probably it exploded or something, but, well, just for you, here's a video on how to reassemble your Rubik's Cube. Please ignore this for the entire video. It's part of my tripod. But, yeah, it's time. So, we're gonna need all of these pieces. Every single one of them. So, don't worry. This is a step-by-step tutorial. So, first step, hold your Rubik's Cube and find, turn it 45 degrees to where you could see this. What in the world? Change of scenery, huh? Change of scenery, huh? Oh yes, change of scenery, don't ask. So yeah, just find a position where there are two center tiles, and you're going to want to just kind of drop in one of the matching edge pieces. Okay. Right now we just have this. And boom, you're done. Not really. Anyways. So on the top of here is red. So we're going to get that one. So red, green, and white. So red, green, and white. This shouldn't take long. Red, green, and yellow. No. I'm sorry about this. Okay. Red, green, and white. There it is. So you're going to kind of slide it in from. Oh, no. Actually, I think we should just keep going from the bottom. So, actually, no, we're just gonna keep on like this. So, yeah, just slide it in like that. Or we should just, yeah, we're just gonna get an edge piece right here with two matching colors. You want to just slide them in every time. So, yeah, there we go. Great, so now we're going to then get the red and yellow piece, or, oh wait, no, it's an edge piece, sorry, a red and yellow, there it is. We're going, hold on, about that, thought something fell, turns out nothing fell. I guess I'm just hearing things, anyways, yeah, so we're just really quick. What in the world? One of my pieces is missing. Hold on. Turns out I did hear something. Yeah, we're just going to slide this green back into place. There we go. Now we're going to get to the corners. Well, we're almost at the corner part. Really quick, we're just going to find the white and red piece. So, white and red, white and red. So, yeah, about this. Done. Okay, there we go. So, slide in the white and red piece. Okay, great. So now we have this. You should have, or at least you should have this. Let's just put this one in for good measure. You don't need this one in right now, but find the white, red, and green piece, which is a corner. You're going to want to do this. You're going to just get it in, okay? Now, slide it down into there. Perfect, okay. Great, so now we're going to find the red and green piece. So, red and green edge piece right here. We're just going to turn this for a bit, slide it down. Hold on, I'm sorry, I'm sorry about that. I just don't want filler, but yeah, slide this down. Okay, great, so now we have enough for like kind of a 2x2-ish. Right, so now we're going to, oh no. Yeah, I guess we could start again now. So we're going to do that slide down and fall method some more times along this. But you're going to want to find the green and orange piece. Going to slide this one down. There we go. I bet you could tell where this is going. Find the, hold on, okay. Find the orange, green, and white piece. So first I need to find that. There we go. And we're going to do the good old-fashioned I don't have the right piece. Wow, that's embarrassing. Let's try that again with the right piece this time. Okay. Drop it down like that. Good old dropsy. Okay, so now find the orange and white piece. So take note that you can pause anywhere in the video whenever you want. You have the freedom of doing that because I can't get impatient. Even if this was real life, I wouldn't get impatient, but well, this is a video, so you have the freedom of pausing me, but yeah. Oh gosh. Hold on. Sorry about that. Just slide down this edge piece right here. Great, so now we have a 3x2x3 tower right now. And it kind of looks like that too. Like, imagine if Rubik's made one of these, but when you turn it around, the illusion is broken. That's still good because, great, now we have almost all of the cube done. And would you look at that? It's only been, what, like around 5 minutes? We're going to get the green and yellow piece, and we're just going to, no, never mind. I'm sorry. Yellow and orange piece, I meant. Hold on, take your time, but just slide it in. There you go. So once again, you can tell where this is going. We had some dramatical errors earlier, and we got the wrong corner piece. Next time we'll use that corner piece to the right corner piece. So now it is the right corner piece. Yay! So great, just do the good old Tetris dropsy dropsy do 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 do. Okay. We're really doing good, huh? Get the yellow and green piece. We're going to actually, oh gosh, hold on. Sorry about that, I had some clumsiness, but now it's no time for clumsiness for me. I have to get this video out soon, so just drop this down. Gosh, great, now I have the wrong piece. Get it? I am so sorry for my clumsiness. Yeah, I'm going to, there we go. So sorry about my clumsiness. It just really gets to you sometimes, huh? Especially when you're making a video. And then just parts just start falling out everywhere. Randomly. Okay. I got that in now. You should have this so far. You know, it's time for Dropsy Dropsy. Fred and Chopsy. We're going to get the red, green, and yellow piece. So, okay, okay. Right now it's time for red and yellow. Oh no. Hold on. Dropsy Dropsy. There we go. So great, now you have almost all of your Rubik's Cube. There's still more, you know. So, yeah. Now we just have the blue side left to take care of. We're gonna do a edge piece first. Oh gosh, I forgot how to do these. Oh right, these are a pain. Oh. I'm sorry. Sorry about that. I am back, so yeah, now it's time for the final part of this tutorial. You're going to want to turn the core 45 degrees. And we're going to kind of get this in. There we go. So now we could turn it back like that. Great, so now we're going to get a corner in. So yeah, let's turn it 45 degrees. Put this in. Okay. You can see where this is going. We're not doing any more Tetris drops, droppity drop flip flops. We're not gonna be doing those anymore. But yeah, I think you should. Oh no, I just realized I did that wrong. Sorry. Take the corner piece out. I'm sorry about that. We're going to work on this side now. You're going to want to put this over here, a blue and yellow. Oh, hold on, I'm sorry, I'm having a bit of trouble here. Oh, right, turn it 45 degrees whenever you're about to put one of the pieces in. So great. Now we have these two parts left. Now, this side will be fantastic for training because we're going to be learning how to get these two edge pieces in, so. I'm sorry, hold on. My thumb is really sore and it's my main thumb because I'm a righty. So, sorry about that, but yeah, and on the right side, hold on, get a corner piece. This isn't the right corner. There you go. Okay, sorry about that. I got it. Okay, got it under control. So now we're going to get the right corner this time. So let's see, we're going to get this corner right here. Okay, great. So now turn it like that. Great, now it looks like that. Going to turn it another 45 degrees to put in this corner right here. Oh wait, no, we're gonna have to like that to put in the corner. In the right orientation. Okay, so now we have this T-like shape, but it falls down, so we're going to put it back up. But now it's time for the last two corners and the last two edges. Literally just the most iconic corner ever, which is the white, red, and blue. I'm pretty sure everyone remembers this one. This would be great for a thumbnail shot. It kind of looks like Photoshop, but it's not. Anyways, now it's time to put in this right here. Yeah, we're going to do the dropsies, except we're going to do it upwards. So get this piece in, and I have to try to. I was about to make a cut, so then this couldn't be counted as filler, because I don't like to do filler, and I don't do filler. Right, so now we have this, like, backwards J shape. It looks like, at least from my perspective. Great, so now it's time for the last edges. Oh wait, no, you can't do the edges first. So, a lot of people have a hard time with this. So, if you have a hard time with this, it's fine. We all have a hard time with this. You're going to have this kind of H shape, okay? Get the H shape, and you're going to want to get these last two edge pieces in. Now, depending on your cube, this may be harder for you, but kind of try to maneuver it. Like, try twisting, try pulling down. Gosh, even I have a really, really tough time with this. Oh my gosh, I did it. Oh my gosh, I actually did it. I didn't expect to do it. But yes, it is finally time for the last edge piece, guys. This might be, harder. Actually, no, it's the same edge piece, so no, it shouldn't be harder. I don't know why I said that. Yeah, just do your best to get it in. And when you do get it in, well, yeah, let's just say you're done. But hold on really quick. I'm gonna make a cut to me having it done. Okay, so great news. I finally got the last piece in. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time. So goodbye.